Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys this week's watch list. So first off, let's look at the SPY. So as you guys can see, the SPY is very overextended and there's possibility of a crash very soon. Pull back to this area right here, over here, or all the way back down here. So it was best to short, and it's not very good idea to go in long positions. So the first stock today is JD. So as you can see, it has a cup and handle, and then starting to go out from the handle. Why? As you guys can see, it's in the down, very big descending wedge, and it broke down, but now it's showing signs of recovery. So now we still could see it go to 64. We'll have to see that if it might break down even more. UAL, United Airlines, starting to make a recovery, and it's at major support right here, and also my algo is set to buy and create the support right here, and we kind of broke this resistance here with the breakout, and we could see all the way up to 62. JNCE, as you guys can see, it's at a support line right here. Right here, it bounced off from this low over here, and I'm watching for a break of like 650-ish. See if we can break out from this point right here. NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals, is a penny stock, but as you guys can see, it's a very good pattern. So there's two things I like about the stock. First, as you can see, we're in the descending wedge right here, and we can have a breakout, possibly all the way to $1. But we'll have to see about that. And as you can see, we have a buy signal right here, and then it went up. As you can see, we have momentum to break out. And also, if we look at volume right here, the volume is very low, and usually for it to be a good breakout, you would need to have low volume on up till at the end point right here. So this is very good. DNXP, as you can see, we get to support on the 50-day moving average. 200-day moving average, and you can see continuation all the way up to $1.25. PFIE, as you can see, it hasn't really touched the bottom of this wedge, but the volume is decreasing right here, and we have this bullish candle right here. So in the next week or so, we can see a breakout. So even if like an open above, it would be a good time to buy. LMND, Lemonade Inc., as you guys can see, is head and shoulders pattern. As you can see, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is like the bottom, and it kind of reversed from the earnings report. And as you guys can see, this is a major resistance level for here, and now is acting as support level over there. MAR, it's just in a bullish flag, just waiting for us to break out. But with the momentum it got and with the volume it had on Friday, it definitely could break out on Monday. ATY, it's in a wedge. So ATY is in a wedge, and as you can see, it's near the support area right here, but it's also at this support level right here, and next week it could break out all the way up to 13 maybe. ALTM, as you can see, this is wedge. It came down here and then had a green candle, so now it could break out in the next few days and just have a big move. ARKK, as you guys can see, it's this downward move, but the RSI is very low, and we could see a very big recovery to here at this resistance level, because at this level it hasn't been moving that much. As you can see, I found support on the 200-day moving average, and then now we could see a move up. UIHC, as you can see, is another beatdown stock, very low RSI, and also we have some support right here, and also we're having some consolidation right here. So wait for the consolidation to continue, and then we have to wait for a breakout from this area right here. TBI. So as you can see, we have resistance right here, and we have support on this level and this level. Bounced here, and we had a successful bounce on Friday. And also we have this diagonal support level right here, and that is very strong support, and is bounced off that too. So last stock is AGRO, and as you guys can see, it's just in a diagonal support, and it bounced off, and it's not forming a bullish candle. So now we could see move to $10 or even $11. So that's it, and thanks for watching.